Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that has caught the attention of NFC enthusiasts and gamers alike. If you're looking for the best Amiibo coins, you're in the right place. We're talking about the 50PCS NFC tags NFC coins cards Ntag215. These blank, rewritable NFC tags are not only versatile but also incredibly user-friendly, making them a great choice for anyone wanting to enhance their NFC experience. The Ntag215 NFC tags come in a convenient pack of 50, each measuring 25 mm in diameter. This compact size makes them portable and easy to carry around, perfect for sharing information or using them as Amiibo coins for your favorite games. Made from durable PVC material, these tags are designed to withstand outdoor conditions without losing functionality. However, it's worth noting that they don't come with self-adhesive glue, so they're not suitable for use on metal surfaces. One of the standout features of these NFC tags is their compatibility. They work seamlessly with Tagmo and most NFC-enabled Android devices, allowing you to write and rewrite the tags with ease. Whether you want to share your social media profiles, connect to Wi-Fi, or store text and URLs, these tags can handle it all. They also boast a high-quality Ntag215 chip, which provides 504 bytes of NDEF memory, offering plenty of space for your data needs. What makes these tags particularly appealing is their rewritable nature. You can edit them multiple times, making them a flexible solution for various applications. However, if you're using them for Amiibo purposes, keep in mind that once they're set as read-only, you won't be able to edit or reset them again. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience for users who need to switch the data on their tags regularly. The applications for these NFC tags are virtually limitless. Gamers can use them to create Amiibo-like experiences, while others may find them handy for business cards, event access, or even pet identification. The tags are ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with NFC technology, whether for personal projects or professional uses. With over 100,000 read and write cycles, you can trust these tags to last through all your creative endeavors. When it comes to user experience, the smooth and shiny surface of these NFC cards makes them a joy to handle. They are abrasion resistant, which means they can endure daily use without showing wear and tear. Plus, the waterproof design ensures that they remain functional even when exposed to moisture. You can confidently place them outdoors or near water, making them perfect for events or outdoor activities. To top it all off, the manufacturer offers a hassle-free warranty. If you find that you're not satisfied with the NFC tags for any reason, you can easily exchange them. This commitment to customer satisfaction is a huge plus and gives buyers peace of mind when making their purchase. In conclusion, the 50PCS NFC tags NFC coins cards Ntag215 are an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-quality, versatile NFC tags. With their impressive compatibility, rewritable features, and durable design, they stand out as some of the best Amiibo coins available on the market. Whether you're a gamer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys the convenience of NFC technology, these tags are sure to meet your needs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in these NFC tags, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. See you next time.